On a quiet, sunny afternoon, 10-year-old Mia and her younger brother Noah were visiting their grandfather's lakeside cabin. While exploring the dusty old attic, they discovered a miniature wooden boat with shimmering paint and tiny golden sails. A note was carved underneath it. "Say, set sail, to unlock adventure." Curious and excited, Mia whispered, "Set sail." Suddenly the boat began to glow, and they were magically transported to the middle of a vast, glimmering ocean. The small wooden boat had transformed into a full-sized magical ship complete with sails that shimmered in the sunlight. "Where are we?" asked Noah, holding tightly onto the mast. Just then, a talking parrot perched on the helm squawked, "You're on the Sea of Wonders, collect the 3 glowing pearls to return home." Excited but nervous, Mia and Noah set sail toward the first pearl, located on an island with towering crystal trees. They faced a challenge. A mischievous group of talking monkeys guarded the pearl. Mia cleverly traded her favorite scarf for the pearl, impressing the monkeys with her kindness. The second pearl was hidden under the sea. The parrot handed them a magical conch that allowed them to breathe underwater. They dove in and met a friendly sea turtle who led them to an underwater cave. Inside, they outsmarted a curious octopus by solving a riddle to retrieve the glowing pearl. For the final pearl, they sailed into a stormy part of the ocean. Lightning flashed and waves rocked the boat. With teamwork and bravery, Mia and Noah used the ship's magical compass to navigate to a glowing whirlpool where the pearl floated. As soon as they grabbed it, the storm disappeared, and the sea turned calm. With all 3 pearls in hand, the boat's golden sails lit up brightly. In a flash, Mia and Noah were back in their grandfather's attic holding the miniature boat. "That was amazing," Noah exclaimed, still clutching one of the pearls as a souvenir. Mia grinned. They knew this was just the beginning of their magical adventures.